So here is showing you the type of your laptop. So to check that, you come to home here and click here. You see PC, just right click. It's going to show you properties. So go to properties. So this is the type of my own system bit. It's 64. So you close it, then when you click here, it's going to show you. So my own is 64. So you either download 64 or you download this one. So but my own is 64, so I'm going to download one of these. For then click on download, click on next, then it started downloading. So as you can see here, it's downloading already.